Okay, I'm at MLS number 1840670, street address 9529 Submarine Drive. And this is Barry. He's riding along with me today. Now, this is another wonderful Summerlin house. Love these places. And you can see we're on a cul-de-sac. Very quiet. Actually in a good location. We're very close. If I want to say less than half a mile, you get on Lake Mead. Then Lake Mead takes you to 215, which gets you downtown quickly. All these plants need to be cut back, but that's no big deal. And it really is pink, in case you're wondering. But it's not the only pink house on the street, so I guess that's okay. There's a smoke alarm that needs a new battery. That's what you're hearing. You know, this carpet, I think it can stay. They've cleaned it, and it was improperly done. They used one of the cheap carpet cleaners. But I think it can be cleaned again, and it'll look good. The paint, so far, looks good. Now the kitchen has the older white tile. So for a Summerlin house, I think we're going to have to replace the counters. And this is maybe, I don't know, $1,200, $1,500. We're going to want to replace the appliances. Space Saver microwave, $350 installed. These are about $500. That's about $850. Probably have to redo this guy here. That's $400. And then you're going to have a really nice looking kitchen. Now there's a full bath down here, which is nice. Well, not a full, three quarters, but a shower's great. The reason the shower downstairs is really important is that typically people will have their parents coming in to live with them when they get older. And this allows them to, you know, old folks like me can easily move in and out of the shower. This could either be an office, but it is a bedroom. Very nice. Now, you know, on something like this Formica counter, it's not going to cost any more, and I would probably go ahead and do, if we're going to do the counters, do this as well. The paint looks excellent. And even these stairs, I think, are going to be okay. It's got the cheap aluminum window blinds, and at some point we need to swap those out when they get damaged, because they get damaged easy. But I sure wouldn't do it now. Nice sized master bedroom. Now, I would be inclined to go ahead and put tile in here, but we'd have to take that out over there. But it's not a big deal. People just don't like carpet around wet surfaces, and I don't blame them. Great closet size. Huh. Phil, you've done good on this one, man. Very good. So we got one bedroom downstairs, and then effect two masters, well, kind of two masters upstairs. These add-on closet here. See, you're eating a good bit of the floor space, but I don't know what to make of this. Your actual closet's over here, and they've added all this stuff on. And so that's something I'd need the property manager to tell us, but we could take that out pretty easy. Okay, so you've got the master here, and then in effect you've got a second master, which is a highly desirable situation. Good property. There's just not a lot I would do except for the kitchen cabinets. I'd do, maybe the bathroom cabinets, or sorry, the bathroom counters, kitchen counters. That's a newer air conditioning unit. We need to cut these back a little bit, but that's not a big deal. These are short. They're not going to be like, trimming one of the big ones. Minor stucco stuff, that doesn't matter though. All things considered, very good property. And I almost forgot the garage. That Barry saved me. These guys are really into these cabinet things. I don't know what I would do about that second bedroom upstairs in terms of dealing with those cabinets. I have no idea whether I leave them or not. But fortunately, Jenny can make that decision for us. Now, this is an old leak, and it's okay. It's not an active one, but I'd sure want to know what it is. We'd find that out during the inspection. You see, you got another one over here, but this is not a roof area, so I think if I were to dig upstairs, I'd find it's under the bathtub or something. Not too worried about this. I'm not smelling any mold, and I'm highly sensitive to it. All things considered, good job, man.